Hey sis. Does something look different? I'm finally using my camera. It's been forever. It's been a struggle over here, okay? Trying to find software, and we're not gonna get into it, but what we are gonna get into is this palette. So this is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. So she looks like with it closed. I love the holographic letters. And I was playing with this last night, just trying to figure out a look that I wanted to do today. And she's pigmented. Like, I was very, very surprised at how pigmented she was. These shimmers are really pretty. And y'all know I love me a good matte eyeshadow. And this matte blue, what is it, Royal? This one right here. Oop, that one. Very pretty. So I'm very excited about using this palette because this is actually my first, okay. Sorry if you can hear my mom screaming in the background. There's a football game on now and she's screaming. But anyways, this is my first e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. Right? I think it is. I think this is my first e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so really excited about this palette because it's I believe this is my first e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. I'm not too sure, but girl, we're gonna get into it, okay? So, got some things to talk about. I had a whole nother look planned last night because I filmed the first look that you just saw, and then right after that I was going to film another look. That was a fail. That was a major fail, and I used Royal, which is this blue right here, and as you can see, I hit pan really bad on it. The eyeshadow itself is super pigmented. Like, it's a really pretty navy blue color, but it has a lot of fallout, hence why I hit pan on it. So I gave up last night. I redid the look that I was gonna do I think 3 or 4 different times. I even used Tropicana, which is this purple one. I put Tropicana in my crease, and then I put Royal all over my eyelid as I didn't want to do a smoky eye because I didn't want to do another cut crease because I had just done a cut crease in the previous look. So I said, okay, let me switch it up. And then I was going to put Disco on top of Tropical. Not Tropical, over Royal, which is the navy blue. And Disco is a duo of purple and blue, which is it is so pretty and so pigmented. It's just Royal and Tropicana did not want to blend, and they kept flaking off my eyelid. I don't know why. I use the same NYX eyeshadow base. I'm guessing Royal and Tropicana don't like each other, so I'm not going to use those two today. I thought of a different look to do, and I'm hoping that it's going to turn out right. Please, Lord. Please. So, yeah, as you see, I have blue eyebrows because I am turning myself blue. I'm going to be using Moon Creations Aqua. I haven't used this face paint yet. As you can see, it's still new because it came out the bottom. I haven't used it yet. So yeah, it is in the color Aqua. I really like Moon Creations face paints. I bought a huge set of all the colors from Amazon. So if you need body paint and it's like in between like low end and high end, this is a good in between product. So yeah, I am going to think about what I'm going to use, and then when you see me again, I should be putting on some makeup. Let's hope. Okay? Bye. You see it. I know you do, sis. You can deny it. But you be hurting yourself, not me. So just accept it, sis. Just accept it. Now, I can't be too crazy and too dramatic with how I'm seeking because this paint is going to chip off. So, yeah, I'm ready to be done with this look. Y'all, I've been through it with this look. Okay, it is 9:45. You don't want to understand. You don't want to know how long I've been sitting here for. The palette. I love this palette. I highly recommend it. However, it's a lot of fallout. Ooh. But yeah, there's a lot of fallout with this palette. I dented the black. As you can see, the blue, she's gone. Well, not all gone, but she has a lot of fallout. The shimmers are absolutely amazing. I'm really, really liking the shimmers in the palette. I absolutely love this palette. I definitely think it is worth your money. It was less than $20 at Target, so highly recommend it. And I'm sure now, because you know it's the holiday season, I'm sure it's going to be like dirt cheap on elf.com. But yeah, I think it's a really good new addition to my collection. Like I said, I really, really like these shimmers. I can't wait to use like this color right here. This is called Rise and Shine on my eyelid because it is a very pretty, rich, like hybrid of copper and gold. Ooh, it's so pretty. But yeah, anyway, sis. Oh, if you want to see pictures of this look, obviously go to my Instagram because, girl, this look is everything. Look at that highlight. Yes, God. Yes. And anything that I didn't talk about in the video, I would definitely put it in the description box. Sorry, I was like, this look just kind of like threw itself together. This was not my initial idea, but we moved, sis. But anyway, sis, you better be staying in your lane, minding your own business. Mind your business. Black Lives Matter. Wear your mask, because cases have gone up, and some of y'all ain't following the rules. I'm looking at you. Because I know you're not following the rules. You the problem. But please, y'all. Please wear your mask. Please sanitize. Socially distance yourself, okay? Stop traveling everywhere. And please, take your vitamins.